Something's got a hold of me lately. Don't know myself anymore. Feels like the walls are all closing in, and the devil's knocking at my door. Out of my mind, how many times did I tell you I'm no good at being alone? Well, it's taking its toll on me. Trying my best to keep from tearing that skin off my bones. Don't you know I lose control when you're not here with me? I'm falling apart right in front of you. Can't you see? I lose control. I want your body like a fiend, like a bad habit. Bad habits trying to break when I'm with you. Yeah, I know I do it on my own, but I want that real form on black magic, and it takes two. Problematic. Problem is when I'm with you, I'm an addict, and I need some relief. My skin in your teeth, can't see the forest to the trees, got me down on my knees, down my beats. I'm